Well, it's morning here in camp, and it's been snowing since 3 o'clock in the morning, and it is just gorgeous out here. So awesome. Woke up to a fully white blanketed forest in our camp. So it's time to start cooking breakfast, getting all warmed up, and start heading out. To keep us warm through the night, we all slept in our big tent, which is just an Ozark Trail tent. And we're testing out 2 diesel propane heaters that we got from eBay. And so far, we're impressed. They've been running at about 40% heat-wise, and the battery got down 1 volt from last night, and it was super warm inside. My sleeping bag, I had to unzip it and sleep pretty much with an open sleeping bag. Other than that, it was nice, beautiful morning. Just a little walk around of our camp since it's a day out, and just to see how people are sleeping. So we got a guy in that Ram. He ran his engine all night, sleeping with his kid inside. We have Alex in his rooftop tent up on top, and just some nice cozy sleeping bags. And we have Deem over here with the heater and a rooftop tent, and it looks cozy in there as well. So we have a river right down below right there. So it's just a beautiful, gorgeous morning. Waking up, we have some snow. So the plan today is waking up right now, eating breakfast, packing up, and start heading out, because it's supposed to snow and rain pretty much all day today, and we got some big hills that we still gotta drive over. So hopefully it's all gonna be easy and safe. Hopefully we won't have to use our winches a lot, but we are prepared to do anything just to get out of there, get out of the poker flat today without any major damage. How's everybody's morning?
Oh, wonderful. Peachy.
Peachy.
It's snowing.
Beautiful.
First time for us waking up to being snowed in.
Yeah.
A little bit. So
Usually what's the rain?
we're getting ready to start the breakfast. We still got a couple snowbirds in the rooftop tent sleeping. So
You mean the utility? Well, welcome in. We got
Hola.
some bacon,
Good morning.
some toasted bread, and some pancakes.
That smells awesome right now. Woo! About to have some bomb breakfast. Gotta enjoy this fire though. Got my breakfast. What a beautiful view to enjoy breakfast right now.
well, we just had breakfast and we're packing up. The teenager's task is to make sure the dishes are all clean after
Help us.
breakfast. Help you?
Yes.
You had good breakfast. Now it's your turn to contribute to the society over here.
Help us. SOS, guys.
Yeah. So looks like it's turning into rain now, not snow. So, but it's still beautiful, still cold, but it's the beauty of it. Camping in December is awesome. Well, we all packed up. It's time to hit the road. It's almost noon, and we got a long way ahead of us, and the day is short. So we'll be rolling out. famous Poker Flats. There's the abandoned broken cabin up there. So that's the little valley. The river's right on the other side. So we're gonna keep on going along this trail, see what else we find here. It's a winter wonderland out here. It's so beautiful. It's snowing and we're climbing up a mountain. Having a little bit of a problem with one of the rams. It's not getting any traction here, so we're trying to get him up the mountain. A little bit of a momentum helps. Well, Sam, how's this trip so far with fresh powder?
Man, it is amazing. Beautiful. Best time of the year. Think we got a good trip.
So it looks like there's more obstacle coming up ahead. We'll see how we're gonna get through it.
Alright, just there.
Well, I was able to pull the 2500 ram up the hill with no problem. Now we're just airing down because the road behind us is untouched fresh powder and there's ice underneath. So going downhill is easy, going uphill is hard. So we're gonna keep on pressing. We gotta get out of here today. Well, we got to Howard Flat. We got about 13 miles to La Porte to go. Along the route, there's a cemetery, and we're gonna go check it out a little bit. It's snowing like crazy right now, but that doesn't stop us. We're all about adventure, so we're gonna go explore it. $1989. Wow. 1895 and 1890. Wow. Died in 1905, died in 1892. This is an ancient. Those are covered by snow.
These are probably the furthest graves.
This one died in 1901. It's pretty cool up here. Lots of graves. As we're driving by in these meadows, there's some abandoned cabins from the old mining days. There's one there, there's a broken one just up the road, and there's a fresh one right on the other side of the road. It is just awesome to explore these kind of areas, see what people used to build, where they used to live. It's in the middle of nowhere. Closest big town is about 65 miles away from here. So it's really secluded areas, and we're just glad that we can make it all the way up here and explore it and have a blast.
So this just happened. Flying the drone over here, flew it into the tree. So somewhere up in there we gotta try to recover it.
I'm getting $8,000 for this.
What?
From yourself? Nah.
Wow, this is getting sketchy. That is super high. We still got a ways to go. I can see the red light. It is like somewhere up there.
Somebody got the cone.
Seem like it. Wow. Rescue mission. Woo! Yeah!
Fuck, what was the view like from up there?
Woo, that was something.
Yes.
What was that worth
Well,
it?
kids, don't try this at home. This is not my first 100-footer. I've been doing this for over 13 years. Start small, and then you'll be able to do the big ones. But $1,000, worth it.
Plus all that footage. That was crazy. That was crazy. All the way up there. Time to set up lunch.
Hola.
Lunchtime.
Well, it's been an awesome drive, awesome camping weekend. We're already at the county road and we're about to have lunch and head home. So this journey's coming to the end, and thanks for watching. It's probably our last camping trip of the year. It was a long year and full of adventures. So we're hoping to have a lot more next year, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.